So in this video, we will be discussing about the quadratic equation, which is chapter number 4, class 10th. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand what is quadratic equation. So for that, you might have studied in the earlier classes about quadratic polynomial. Okay. So first we'll start with quadratic polynomial. So what is quadratic polynomial? Polynomial of degree 2. Okay. So highest power degree 2. So this is important. If you take an example, suppose 2x square plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. So in this, so let us try to understand by taking an example. 2x square plus 4x minus 2. Okay, so this we have considered, this is a polynomial. Now in this polynomial, if you see, this is nothing but x variable. Okay, so x variable is involved. Now here the highest power of x variable is nothing but 2. You can see here, here it is 1, here you can mention it as x power 0, since x power 0 is nothing but 1. So here in this polynomial we can see the degree, the highest degree, you can see highest power of the variable x, it is nothing but 2. Okay, so that's why this is called as what? Quadratic polynomial. One more example, minus 11x square plus 4x minus 10. In this example also you can see the highest power of x variable is 2. It is not necessary that you should take always the x variable, you can take any variable. Okay, so always remember the variable whichever is involved in that polynomial, the highest power of that variable should be 2 in quadratic polynomial. Now what is equation then? Equation, always remember equality sign should be there, or we can call it as equal to sign. Okay, equal to sign should be there. For example, if I take the same example, so 2x square plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0 if I put, so this becomes the equation. So this is nothing but quadratic equation, where quadratic polynomial is there and one equal to sign we are putting. Okay, so there will be LHS as well as RHS in quadratic equation. Okay, the standard form, let us now understand what is the standard form of that quadratic equation. It is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of what? Quadratic equation. Always remember this one. Now here we have a, b, c. Now what are all this? Now this is nothing but, a is nothing but, you can see it is nothing but the coefficient of what? X square. Okay, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is b and c is nothing but the constant. Okay, and RHS part we have 0, equal to 0. So this is the standard form. And one more thing you remember, a is not equal to 0. Why? Because let me take one more example. Suppose 0x square plus 4x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the one equation. Here you can observe that x square coefficient is 0. So 0 multiplied with anything is what? 0. So it's basically 4x. What is the left out thing? 4x minus 10 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Here you can observe that the highest power of the x variable is nothing but 1. Yes, it is 1. So this is not a quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, the coefficient of x square, it should be 1 or any other number other than 0. Always remember, other than 0 it should not be 0, because it will form a linear equation. This one will form a linear equation. Okay, Now let us take one example and understand ABC. So 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0. So in this you have to tell a, b, c values. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. In this a, what is a? A is nothing but the coefficient of x square. A is the coefficient of x square, which is 2. B is the coefficient of x. Here we don't have anything, we can just put it as 1. Always remember, put it as 1, not 0. Okay, so whenever there is no coefficient, you have to put it as what? 1, not 0. So b value will be 1. Next c. C, here you can see, here we have constant c, that is 300. Always remember, whenever negative sign is there, you have to carry with the negative sign also, that is minus 300. So c value will be minus 300. Okay, so these are 3a, b, c values. Now let us see what all problems you can expect in exercise 4.1. The first problem is nothing but check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Simply we have to just simplify the following equations. Okay, you can see LHS as well as RHS. Just simplify it and you will get it. This just simplify LHS as well as RHS. You will get it in the form of what? One quadratic equation or any other equation. Okay, we have to just verify it with what? The standard form of quadratic equation. So let us see the first part of the question. So I have written here, let us try to simplify this one. So starting with this, x minus 2 the whole square. So what is that? A minus b is the whole square. A square minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b plus b square plus 1 is there, and RHS will remain as it is, 2x minus 3. Okay, so this will be x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So this will be, simplify this one, x square we don't have any like terms, this is 4 minus 4x, this is 5. Okay, so minus 4x, bring this minus 2x to into this one towards 2 LHS, minus 4x minus 2x plus 5 plus 3 equal to 0. Bring 3 minus 3 this side. Okay, so this will be x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0, right? Just simplify this one. So we have arrived at the simplest form of the given equation. Okay, so just compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you can observe that anyways we have here x square. Okay, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 1. Okay, so in this equation, simplified equation, we have x square. In any quadratic equation we should have the highest power of the variable involved. Here the variable is x, it should be what? 2, that is x square should be present, or anything, any variable power 2 should be present. That's it. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation we can see. Next, second part we'll see. So in the second part, again the same thing, we have to simplify. So let us simplify, just multiply this one, x square plus x plus 8 equal to this one multiplication, x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. So minus 2x plus 2x cancelled. Now x square is there, bring this x square this side, minus x square plus x, we don't have any like terms for x. Okay, plus 8 plus 4 equal to 0. Bring this minus 4 to LHS. Okay, so this will be here once again, x square minus x square get cancelled, right? What is left out? X plus this will be 12 equal to 0. Now this we have got the simplified form. Here you can observe, when you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, which is the simplified form of quadratic equation, here we can see the highest power of x is what? 1. Okay, highest power of x in this equation is 1. So we can say that this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Since the highest power of x, or the variable involved in this equation, is not 2. Okay, here it is highest power is 1. One more type of problem we can expect in exercise 4.1 is that to representation. Okay, representation of any problems, statement problems in quadratic form. Okay, quadratic equation. So here we have represent the following situation mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Okay, they both have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles, so they have lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the numbers of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Now this part will be discussing this statement, the last statement will be discussing in the next exercise, that is 4.2. okay, to how to find out the values of x, or the variable involved, that is John and Jivanti, how many marbles they have. Okay, this part will be discussing later. Now we have to first form the equation for this. So let us start the question. So let us consider here, let number of marbles John had be x. Okay, John had, because they are asking, it is the past thing, right? Because they have lost 5 marbles, after that they have now product, they have said this statement. So with this statement we have understood that at the starting how much they have. So they are basically asking how many marbles they had at the starting. Okay, so it is nothing but x at the starting. Okay, now the Jivanti will be how much? It will be 45 minus x. Why? So let us again try to understand this one. So John, Jivanti, now here both of them having 45 marbles. If I consider John having x marbles, then Jivanti will be having the total amount of marbles minus the John, how much John is having with him. That is nothing but, always remember this kind of questions, total number of marbles minus the marbles the other guy is having, the other person is having. Okay, so that's what you have to do. So when you add these two, you will be getting how much? 45 only. Okay, x and minus x will get cancelled. So basically if one guy is having x, other guy will have total minus that number of marbles, that is x. Okay, next, both of them lost 5 marbles. Okay, so let us consider here John and Jivanti. So both of them lost 5 marbles. So John had 5 x marbles, minus 5 lost. Okay, Jivanti 45 minus x, how much lost? 5 again. So John will have x minus 5, Jivanti will have 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x. Correct, just simplify this one. So these are the number of marbles they are having right now. Now they have mentioned one statement, the product of the number of marbles, product in the sense multiplication of number of marbles they have now is 124. That means product of these two, John having marbles, that is x minus 5, and multiplication of these two will be 124. So let us do that one. X minus 5 into 40 minus x. Okay, the answer should be equal to 124. That's what the statement indicates. Now multiplication of this thing, x into 40, 40x, minus x into this one, minus x square, then minus 5 into 40, minus 200, then plus minus 5 into minus x is plus 5, plus 5x equal to 124. So for the simplification, 40x, 5x will be 45x, 45x minus 2x square minus 200, bring this 124 this side, it will be minus 124 equal to 0. Okay, now next part, So I'll place x square this side, minus x square plus 45x. This will be, add it up, that is minus 324 equal to 0. So this will be the final quadratic form or the quadratic equation. Okay, so if you want to remove this minus sign, just multiply minus side minus 1 both the sides. Okay, so multiplication of minus 1 both the sides. Okay, minus 1 you have to just multiply. This will be x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Okay, if you want to remove the negative sign. Okay, otherwise both the answers are correct. So this will be the final quadratic equation of this form. So solving this two, this equation, not this two, this equation, or otherwise this equation, you will get the answer of x. That will be number of marbles that John had. Okay, 45 minus that number will give you Jivanti's number of marbles that she had. Okay, so this is nothing but the situation we have formed the quadratic equation. The solving of this part will be discussed in exercise 4.2. Many methods are there that will be discussing.